Now let's look at some basic techniques and things that you should be doing while shooting. Many people message me saying they use the same LUT and the same process, and their image still doesn't look the same. No post-process is going to be a magic bullet to make your footage look perfect unless you shot it well. You can definitely fix things in post, but your footage isn't going to look as amazing if you just shot it properly in the first place. For example, if you overexposed your image by too much, you're going to have less detail to work with. The best thing you can do is to try and get the look that you're going for as much as possible already in camera. For example, if you know that your project needs cooler tones, then maybe white balance so it's a little bit more blue. Or let's say you want it to look really dark and moody, well, you need to light and shoot it in a way that creates that emotion and mood already. Personally, for me, I shoot more balanced because I don't always know which way I'm gonna take it in post. And I wanna give myself the most options I can in post to go whichever way I want it to go. I won't go too much into camera settings and techniques since this is a color grading course, but here are a few important things to help you film the most cinematic image you can as your starting point. Feel free to skip this part of the video if it doesn't interest you, but sometimes it's good to just have a refresher. And for me at least, I might have heard something 10 times, but it's not until I hear it the 11th time that something clicks and I really understand what's going on.